बीजापुर में श्री गुरुदेव स्कूल की ओर से स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाया गया। बीजापुर शहर के शास्त्री नगर में स्थित श्री गुरुदेव स्कूल की ओर से 15 अगस्त यानी स्वतंत्र दिवस बड़े धूमधाम से मनाया गया है और इस स्वतंत्र दिवस के प्रोग्राम के गेस्ट वार्ड नंबर 32 के कॉरपोरेटर श्री शिवरुद्र बागलकोट और गुरुदेव स्कूल के फाउंडर श्री रामचंद्र भोसले सर रहे मौजूद और गेस्ट को सम्मान कर सराहना किया गया और श्री गुरुदेव स्कूल के हाई स्कूल के 14 बच्चों ने देश के 14 लैंग्वेज में 15 अगस्त की शुभकामनाएं दी और साथ ही साथ बच्चों को सर्टिफिकेट और मेडल देकर बच्चों को प्रेरित किया गया और श्री गुरुदेव स्कूल के हेड श्री सुधीर भोसले सर के नेतृत्व में सभी गेस्ट के साथ फ्लैग होस्ट करके इस प्रोग्राम को बढ़ावा दिया गया। हर साल ऐसे ही फंक्शन करते रहते हैं और बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा देने में श्री गुरुदेव स्कूल हमेशा सबसे आगे रहता है। और खबरों के लिए बने रहेगा आपका अपना R1 न्यूज़ बीजापुर।
Welcome you, sir, and I also please all of you give them a big round of applause.
रोना
Competition, so please give them a big round of applause. Please appreciate them by giving them Thank you so much. Congratulations to all Sri Gurudev School. Thank you so much.
Myself Agar Patel. I am studying in 9th class. Today I am going to speak few words on Independence Day. Today we stand together not to celebrate a day on a calendar, but to celebrate a day to honor the spirit of our nation. Our nation that rose for struggle, sacrifice, and the unyielding dream of freedom. Happy Independence Day. Let us remember, Independence Day did not come to us a gift. It was earned through the courage of countless men and women who dared to dream of a land free from oppressions. They were not just fighters. They were poets, farmers, workers, and students. People like you and me who refused to accept the chains that held them down. Today we enjoy the fruits of their sacrifices. We speak freely, we choose freely, we live freely. But let me ask you, are you truly honoring that freedom? That freedom. Independence Day is not a finish line, it's a responsibility. It is not just about hosting the flag one a year, it is about raising our standards every day. It is about fighting the battles of today against ignorance, inequality, corruption, divisions and fear. It is about choosing unity over hate, hard work over shortcuts and purposes over comfort. Let us make a promise today to be better citizens, to lift others as we climb to serve, not just accept to be. To remember that our greatest power is not what divides us, but in what unites us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Myself, Aksha, I am studying in 9th standard. Today I am going to speak a few words about independence country. Today we gather not just to celebrate a date on a calendar, but to honor a promise made long before us by people who believed freedom was worth more than comfort and dignity worth more than life itself. Remember one thing, Independence Day, not just a gift, it was earned with courage, with sacrifice, and with a stubborn refusal to go down. But here's the truth, freedom is not a relic we keep in a museum, it's a living, breathing thing. It either grows or it fades depending on what we do. We honor our heroes not by simply remembering them, but by carrying their fight into our own age. The same thoughts once held by those who gave us this day and for us. Because Independence Day is not just what we inherited, it's what we are creating today, tomorrow, and for as long as we dare to stand tall. Freedom does not mean that we can do anything we want without regard for others. Freedom does not mean that we can earn money by hook or by crook, or we can individual in corrupt practices. Freedom means using the opportunities that our nation provides us to do our best in whatever. If every Indian uses his or her freedom to become self-sufficient, to work in the service of the poor, and helpless to spread on awareness of social and economic.
I call to all the girls one by one.
My name is अर्जमन मुजावर in हिंदी। आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।
My name is Deva Saifi. In English, a very happy Independence Day.
My name is ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಚೌಹಾಣ್ in ಕನ್ನಡ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು। My name is शिवानी in मराठी सगळ्यांना स्वातंत्र्य दिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा। My name is Napeksha Rainawar in संस्कृत स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभाशय। My name is Sakshi Birondi in Tamil स्वतंत्र दिवस वार्तुका। Please clap here. My name is Alma Shibara in Kashmir आजादी अधिहूँ तुमना। Very good, the Kashmiri girl, beautiful girl. Please give her a big applause. My name is Nashia Sheikh in Gujarati स्वतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभेच्छा। Very good Gujarati. My My name is Shamshad Kalaji in Punjabi. स्वतंत्र दिवस के दिन में लख लख बधाई.
Very good, Shamshad.
My name is Bushra Sheikh. In Urdu, Yom Azadi Mubarak.
Very good.
My name is Anika Harshat in Bengali. भारतीय स्वाधीन दिवस शुभेच्छा जनाई.
My name is Vaishnavi Bajentri. In Telugu, स्वतंत्र दिनोत्सव शुभाकांक्षलु.
Very good.
My name is Kirti Kadakpau in Malayalam. स्वतंत्र दिन संकल्प.
Very good. Salute all of you. Salute. Good morning, everyone. So guests are arriving soon. Please have some patience.
रोहन
So now it's a time to have a glance of our little star at Sri Gurudev School Freedom Fighters. So please give them a big round of applause who might become like a superhero. Thank you, sir. And now it's before starting one more, that is having a cultural dance program. Let's tribute our nation's spirit by this Bharatnatyam from our students. Now we have a dance performance. So I would like to call from 6th standard. There is a dance performance from our girls to tribute our nation. Please come on the stage here. Start music, please. I am Sinchana with my co-worker Shruti. So let's begin the prize distribution. Our medal is small but wings are large. It's proof of the battle you fought. So our students are not less than a star. They proved it by achieving their following target. So now I am going to announce the speech competition winner's name. I request the guests to honor the students. From nursery class, Advik Maslis first, Afsa Asmi second, Lakshmi 10. Please all of you maintain silence here. Take your position, guys. Take your body, students. Take your body, teachers are request maintain silence here, students, please. Bharat Thuram second. Bharat Raj. వీర చక్ర